Sushant Singh Rajput's 5 memorable roles. Even with a short filmography, Rajput sparkled and at one point was expected to be the next big star, a remarkable feat given he was a complete outsider. Sushant Singh Rajput would have turned 35 next year. In less than 3 years, he would have finished a decade in Bollywood. With around a dozen films to his credit, Rajput was still figuring out his story, a young man who had just entered the second act of his life. But since Sunday afternoon, there will only be variations of could have, would have, should have, as if a story found the second and third acts meaningless and fast forwarded to the climax. But even with a short filmography, Rajput sparkled at one point. He was expected to be the next big thing, a star. A remarkable feat given he was a complete outsider, but we were only left with possibilities now and memories. So let's rewind and cherish 5 movies where he was most memorable because we never got enough of him. Sonchiriya. Rajput played Lakna, a Bundelkhand Bagi, in the best Bollywood film of 2019. Rajput gave Lakna a searing intensity and searching look, someone trapped in a prison of questions, often wondering what is a Bhagi's Dharma. A philosopher lost among dacoits, beset by existentialism in a land where existence needs to be earned. Lakna, of course, got no answers, but he persisted, looking for one gateway, some redemptions, ultimately finding hope in rescuing a young girl, Sonchiriya. Rajput made Lakna's journey compelling, offsetting periods of gloom with moments of tomfoolery, delighting the young girl with a magic trick, making a candy disappear from one palm and making it appear in the second. Many Bollywood protagonists are so superficial that they make you tune out, but Lakna, aided by a superlative Rajput, was a haunting outlier, a Bhagi in search of soul. MS Dhoni. Rajput was always a great choice to play MS Dhoni. Like the celebrated Indian cricketer, the actor hailed from a small town. Like his on-screen hero, Rajput entered an ecosystem where connections and labels mattered, which is why the film's initial portion, where Dhoni is struggling to find his foothold, burns with insatiable hunger, a hunger that has a desperation of revenge. It's easily the most affecting portion in a long, unfocused film, which got sporadic shots of life. Thanks to Rajput, a memorable example of an actor rising above the script. Maybe because Rajput followed his own script. Early in the film, Dhoni's mother says, "I feel he has not going to be satisfied so easily." The dissatisfaction and the urge to go beyond the brief showed in the movie because Rajput knew even then that there could be more. Detective Byomkesh Bakshi. Dibakar Banerjee's adaptation of a popular Bengali sleuth was a cheeky exercise in style, willfully anachronistic, subversive, atmospheric. Rajput internalized that logline, playing a detective with panache and wit. His Byomkesh was not a restrained know-it-all, but a brash motor mouth, indifferent to sophisticated conversations. Rajput brought urgency and restlessness to the role, a young man committing the follies of youth, yet sniffing the trails like a veteran bloodhound. Even during segments where the film failed to impress, Rajput, balancing the yin with yang, gave us a memorable young detective getting addicted to the labyrinth's mystifying violence. Shuddh Desi Romance. In his second film, Rajput played Raghu, a young tourist guide in Jaipur. Restless, confused, not wanting to compromise. Rajput's Raghu, filled with frequent indecisions and silly humor, depicted the conundrum of many young Indians seduced by and terrified of freedom. The role was all froth and pomp on the surface, but every now and then Rajput took off the mask to reveal a wounded interior of feeling lost and tired and trapped. And most Bollywood heroes are obligated to dignify love and defy their partners. But Rajput's performance asked a more layered question: of what use is finding the other if you can't find yourself? Kaipoche. Rajput played a failed cricketer who later becomes a coach in his debut. It was a sparkling performance, brimming with energy, confidence, and arrogance. A performance that hinted at what lay ahead. The three Khans were already old by then, so natural question followed: have we found a new star? Even though Kaipoche was a multi-starrer, Rajput's Ishan was clearly the film's centerpiece. A young man willing to defy his past by molding a future, training a young boy to become India's finest cricketer. Unlike his friend Govind, Ishan is not interested in money and plans. He has all moments and exuberance. Man on the edge, drunk on life, rejecting the conventional comfort of money, an evening that wants to hang on, water below, sky above, a world to win, only himself to lose. If you know someone, friend or family member at risk of suicide, please reach out to them. The Suicide Prevention India Foundation maintains a list of telephone numbers they can call to speak in confidence. You could also refer them to the nearest hospital.